I'm back again. I've decided to do an indoor citronella, or more the point, a citronella candle in one of my medium size Apothecary jars. So as you can see here, some leftover soy wax, 100% Australian soy wax that it is, with the citronella oil in it. So I'm just going to pour this, just doing it very steadily. This may require a top up, but I don't think so. Okay, I know I got a little bit of wax on my wick holder there, but that'll be all good. So that's actually sitting there holding that in place, and once they are done and set, I will show you some more of my candles. Have a great afternoon.